Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts in floor plan? How to place macros?
Yes, ma'am. Actually,
Mm.
like in macros, if there are so many pins, can we keep it at the edges?
Edges of the core?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, we can keep them, but again, it depends on the connection. If they are having more connections with the IO ports, then we'll keep it at the edges, and we will tilt the macro in such a way that those connections face the outward side of the core area. If they are having more connections with the standard cells, then we have to tilt the macro or flip the macro and make sure
Is tilting acceptable, ma'am?
we can do. Rotation only is like by 90, 180. That only we might not be able to do now, but flipping we can.
Flipping in the sense it's like 180 degrees flipping, ma'am.
Flipping in sense 180 degrees, like yeah, like
Mirror.
mirror by
It's
X,
like
mirror
mirror.
by Y.
Okay. Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Ah.
And do we need to place some what do you say hard blockages around the macros, ma'am?
To have that also we'll see today. Can anybody share the screen? I will just summarize how to do macro placement, and then
Yes,
we'll see
ma'am.
how to place the blockages around the macros. And then to specify floor plan, we'll go to that topic.
Okay, ma'am.
Uh, we started from the beginning, so how to do floor plan, that I will start. You please see how it goes and try to do it on your side. If any doubts, let me know. Okay. Everybody has loaded the lab.
Ma'am, actually, last time Deepu was
No,
doing
if
it, no,
he
ma'am.
would
So,
have, uh,
can he continue
I don't
sharing the
think he has
screen, ma'am?
joined yet. Yes, but I don't think he has joined yet. Or Lakshmi Prasad or whoever, Marvin, Apollo, anybody. If I share the
Well, I have
two and
not done
also
that
if I
exercise actually,
explain,
Jana.
there's a lot of
Well, I have not done that.
What
macro
is the
placement you have
issue?
not done.
No. So
No, sir,
due to
I'm
loading
asking about
issues,
share
I couldn't
the
able to do
their
that.
tool screen. Loading. Oh, so in the last week you had using it?
I was trying in the but 1 week actually, so but I couldn't able to do that because loading issue.
Mm.
No,
So
if
anybody
someone
else
is
can
facing
share? Mm.
issue, right? There is a document folder. In that document folder, you will find a doc file. That try from that one. Might be some files you are missing or something you are adding extra that might create the issues. That is the reason you might face loading error in the files in that one. Read that document once and ask questions to ma'am. She will able to help you on that one. If anyone can share the screen, please. Deepu, can you share the screen? Hello, Deepu.
Yeah, Subhash, I'm just having my breakfast. So if somebody can hold it for some time, I'll connect.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me share my screen, but I need to do from the starting, I guess.
Yeah, please share your screen. Any issue happen, we will help you.
Yeah. So may I know where the CSHRC file which is available?
Okay. I think I have
Cat tools,
sent the
right?
commands in the group.
Cat tools, right?
Enter, first enter.
In the cat tools.
Enter. And now do CSH.
Yeah, done.
Now type source CHRC.
That is
Dot
what
CH
not
dot
available.
dot dot.
Dot CS. No, not available. I mean,
I think. Wait, 1 second. You are in a wrong folder. First do CD. CD space slash.
mhm.
No. Okay. Go to CD now. Do CD CAD tools.
Okay.
Tab CAD tool. No, not home.
Okay.
Oh, wrong way. Do first CD, then CAD tools.
Cat tools where
CD
it is
home.
available.
Sorry, CD first CD. No. Wait. First CD, then home,
Yeah.
and
Okay.
go home. Enter. Now do CD CAD tools.
That's what I'm doing.
Inside now do CSH here and source.chrc.
Okay.
Now
Oh,
go
it
back
is
again to
releasing the
your
machine.
folder.
It's releasing the machine again.
You are using the older version, I guess. That is the reason it is releasing. Use the newer one.
You shared the newer one only, right? This is the one you have shared.
Yeah, use the extract it first. Extract it outside. If it is not
Yeah, already
extracted, then
extracted.
put it.
2022 5.
Now open. Just open. This is not required to run as administrator. It can just do open. It will work.
Okay.
Now when you are enter this one into this one,
Rack
okay.
file, right?
Yeah, do that one and go to the user. What user you are using now? User 9, I guess.
Yeah.
No, first CD, then user 9, I guess. Then you will go to projects. User 9.
Yeah. So can I invoke
No.
directly
Wait.
this?
Wait.
Yeah.
1 second.
Yeah.
Go back once. First.
Okay.
Go again back.
Okay.
No, do one CD/home.
Okay.
After that message comes now that CAD design should that kind of
Yeah,
message come,
already
you
invoked,
should
right?
come to your folder right now CD home. What is the user you are using? User 9. Go
That's
to
what I'm
user
doing,
9
right?
first.
Vice user 9 only.
No, sorry. 1 second. I am also wrong. Go back one step, go back.
Class PD,
One step.
he has to go in the
Class PD folder is there. You should go there once.
1 minute. Can you
Go
please repeat?
back one. Not in home. It is just
Okay.
CD/. Only CD/ will work. Enter now, go to class PD.
Class
Class
PD.
PD. Not home. Lakshmi, directly CD to
Oh,
class
class
PD
PD.
and your folder.
Because
Go to your folder.
when you type Innovus na, okay, it generates tons of log file. That log file should not be in your design folder. Otherwise, you will only face issue later.
Here you can create innovation. You can invoke
Yeah, I can
innovation.
create
Right.
Innovus that I understood, but my folder is BIC user 9 here.
Yeah. No, like while loading files, like left files and all, you have to go to your user and you have to load from that file. But
Okay.
here you have to directly invoke in your
Yeah.
directory
So
itself.
what's the problem if I invoke over there?
BAC user.
Yeah. So that is also a directory, right? What's the problem actually? May I know?
Instead of instead of going all those paths, he created simply like class PD, and in your directory you can invoke directly in invoke command. It will be easier, right? Instead of going to
No,
VLSI
no,
user.
that is easier
No,
actually.
no,
Anyone can access it, right?
class PD is global directory where which is accessible by every users.
Okay.
Okay.
All user can access it.
Yeah, that's the
What will
reason I'm
happen if BIC
effective
user
for the
1 is
renewable,
you
right?
are suppose using, you won't be
Mhm.
able to access BIC user 9 data if you are not a super user.
Okay.
No, first load the Verilog files.
Yeah, I'll load it.
Now your BIC user 9 comes into picture. Yeah, home. Innova rack. Yes, data.
This is
Yes,
the one
that
only
one.
alone, right?
Yes. Leaves. Left.
Lips or
No, go back.
lefts?
Left. Except the first one, all.
Except the first one, all right.
Oh, yes. No.
Sorry.
Drag it for the second one. It will automatically
Yeah.
load. Yeah. Add it. Again, go back once. Green one right side.
This is the one, right? It should be placed first. Or
It is
this one.
okay. It is okay. Now go to green one right side.
1 minute.
Hey,
It is
1 minute.
also, yeah. This
1 minute.
is also,
Remove that last one. Remove it
yeah,
first.
that's what I meant to say.
Yes. Now go on the right side, green color. Again, go. 2 files data. In data, 2 files are there. Leon partition. These 2 also need to be added in left files. Otherwise, design will not work. Yes. Now close it. Now type VDD and VSS there. VSS and OK.
Click OK.
Wait, it will load. Now it is okay.
Yeah, I think here. Yeah. What is the option to select multiple macros? May I know, Christina? Or
That
should I choose?
ma'am, can you please explain?
Yeah. So can you select that that move option?
Move,
Shift
yeah.
and
Shift it.
select all together.
Okay. To optimize this one. Yeah, shift.
Hello?
Yeah,
Ma'am, I have already done macro placement, so can we show it in there? Because
Yeah.
it takes
Please
time.
share.
yeah.
Sure.
Can you please quickly
Then
tell
you
me that what is the option to move here?
that flower icon on the left, that is to
Okay.
move the macros. So shift and that and move icon. Click all of them together,
Okay.
and then you can move and drag them inside. Now see, all of these are interacting more with the IO ports at the bottom. So push
Mhm.
these set of macros to the bottom.
Okay.
Like this, you can start placing the macros.
Okay. After that, if I wanted to select another one, again I have to
A
select
similar
the.
way, shift and then yeah.
Okay. Shift and this one. Okay. No, it is moving here and there. If I wanted to stop, how can I do?
Escape.
Escape, I guess.
No, it is not working. Oh, yeah.
It will take time. It will take time.
Because
And then again
this
the
is this
icon,
has
shift,
multiple
other
blocks
set
na.
of macros.
I think that might be the reason of it is taking time, right? But due to multiple blocks.
Once you move a set of macros inside, click escape and then go to this next set of macros.
Oh, okay. Now not getting the fly lines.
Maybe so right click this macro,
Okay. Oh, somewhere
escape,
it went.
escape, and then right click.
One minute.
So whoever wants to try adding blockages in the floor plan menu that is on the top, can you select that parallelly? Open the floor plan menu on the top. Are you able to see anything called blockages?
Here,
Yeah.
floor plan menu.
Next
Okay.
partition floor. So here, no. Come to the below part, the third line of options.
Automatic floor plan.
Escape. No. Escape.
Okay. Mhm.
The
Okay.
third row.
Third
You
row.
will get routing blockages, placement blockages.
And group is on board the
I
schematic.
think it was in view, right? View from something was there, right? View, yeah. Yeah. Flight line.
No,
Flight line,
I
I think
am
it's that
telling
one.
about the blockages.
Oh,
No,
blockages. Okay.
blockages is okay.
If somebody wanted to try for blockages, so I'm telling them so that they can see parallelly. In the below row,
In the below row,
below
this
row.
one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In that, there will be placement blockages, routing blockages keep going towards the left.
Yeah. This is the one. Pin blockage is there.
Come to the left. Towards your left.
And pin blockage.
Left.
Placement
This
blockage.
one.
This is the one, right?
Yeah, this is the one. Can you select that?
Okay.
I'll just show
So
how
how
to
to
do.
know this
And you
one
can
actually?
like just like in paint option we will draw shapes, right? You can draw the shapes, draw the placement blockages. See. So this is how we have to create the blockage. No, not on the entire macro, on the
Okay.
edges of the macro alone. So on left one blockage, on the
This is
right one
correct?
blockage, top and bottom. No, this is
Yeah,
wrong.
that I understood. So if I wanted to remove
Select that
how
brown one and you can delete it. Just select it and delete it. Select the blockage. Escape. Select the blockage.
it is not selecting, I
Are
think it
able
is
to
taking
select
time.
it. Else, right click and attach to cursor. I think everybody is following this. So this
can
is
you
the
please tell me
second
here how
step.
to deselect it?
Attach to cursor. Attach to
Okay.
cursor. Okay. So the macro, or you do one thing. There is an undo option in the second set. In the second row, there is an undo option, just like how we have in our MS and all. So you can select that below.
In the second row, right? Where it is
Below
on the
that, left, in the left, there's an yellow icon. Slowly come towards your left. Now, left, even more.
okay, this one. Okay. No, but is not getting removed.
Okay, fine. Escape. Come to the Innovus terminal where we can give the commands, not the GUI.
Okay.
You have invoked Innovus in the terminal, right?
Correct.
Go there. So there, remove blockages. We use command that. So we'll try the black one. Yeah. So, no, this is still in the next one. Where is the
Mhm.
Innovus loaded one?
Okay. No, loaded one, right. This is the Innovus loaded one.
No, this is the GUI.
So
Where is
don't
the
we have
terminal?
a terminal?
Yes, we will have. I mean, in the background, whatever GUI actions we do, the respective commands will populate there. So there
This is the
must be.
one.
Um,
Mhm.
then how did
Okay.
you load Innovus?
So I have used a ampersand. That is the reason I think it got exited. Can you please tell me restore this design actually?
File,
I
restore
mean to
design,
save this. To save this. This
to
is the
save
way, right?
design.
Okay.
Yeah, here, right click, select on
Innovus.
Innovus,
Okay.
not OA. See, OA is
Security.
the last, it is the layout, okay?
Okay.
OA means our GDS layout, final layout.
Mhm.
So here, say select on Innovus, file name, just give any file name .enc.
.enc.
Save it as floorplan.enc.
Where it got stored here, it is in a
So
class
where,
PD. Okay, fine. Yeah, got it. Mhm.
or create one database like ./dbs
//
dbs
dbs. Mhm.
/floorplan.enc. So this will create a DBS directory, just a database directory of you're naming it like that, and inside the floor plan is being saved.
Yeah, can I apply? Click OK.
Apply, okay. See, can you see in the background? It is getting saved.
Correct.
Now click on enters.
Mhm.
Where did it go?
Okay, let me exit and then I'll remove it.
Okay, so any else, can you share the screen? This blockages we'll see. Somebody else wanted to. I think Priyanka, right? Somebody wanted blockages.
Yes, ma'am. Is Deepu comfortable sharing the
You
screen
have
now?
yeah, anybody. So if Deepu, you'll share.
Yeah, Janet, another
See,
10
you will have
minutes. I'll
two
share.
turn.
Yeah.
Okay.
5
Okay,
minutes. Yeah.
okay. So there is a GUI. Innovus GUI is there. Innovus command terminal is there. Many of you are confusing between Linux terminal and Innovus terminal. Linux terminal is where we will do all the Linux commands like make directory, remove, ls, -lrt, all of that in Linux terminal we'll do. Once we invoke Innovus using Innovus space and Innovus terminal will load in the Linux database. Only there Innovus commands will work. So when I'm saying remove blockages, I mean, in the previous class, I saw many were typing those commands in the Linux terminal. It won't work there. So in your terminals, be aware of that.
Like we have to type
Or if
Innova space ampersand,
Mm.
ma'am.
Yeah, that's how we invoke Innovus in Linux.
I mean, ampersand, we should not use it, right? So if I want, I mean, the terminal want to be present, then we should not use ampersand, I guess.
Then only Innovus. So if you're putting ampersand, the terminal is not there, is not loading.
Ma'am, I tried, but it will open again a new Innovus for me. I tried it.
Is it
And
working,
the
Danish?
yeah, yeah, I tried, but it will open the new. If I type Innovus in my path, so it will open again a new Innovus for me. Innovus terminal is not coming.
Is not loading.
Yes.
Can you share your screen and explain me,
Yeah, yeah.
because I'm not. Yeah.
I am trying to connect with laptop. Wait, currently I have joined with the mobile only. I am connecting with laptop.
Okay.
Ma'am, actually,
Okay.
I have tried, but someone else, I think Mervin is using a BIC user for again, so it has interrupted mine.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. So there is some glitch.
All right. Okay, then I will
I'm
do one
sorry
thing.
about that. I thought 4 is vacant. Sorry about that. I log out already.
So
Okay.
can I use BIC
So
user
I'll
for
do what
now?
I'll give the Marvel if using if she will use it. So to remove blockages, I'll give the just a second.
Yeah, Krishna, now it got loaded. Can I share my screen?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. What is the command?
Try delete size blockage.
Delete blockage. Yeah?
I'm not able to see. Now delete. Yeah. So here, out type help star. Now type help space star
Help.
blockage
Okay.
help. Yeah.
Mhm.
Help space star
Okay. Star
blockage star.
blockage.
So this is the way to search for command. So just give the keyword that you need to search for.
Delete place
So
blockage.
delete place blockage. So that is the command.
Okay. What is the next? How do we can
That's all. This will
particularly to
delete all
select?
the blockages.
All.
For
Okay.
click on that. Just enter.
Yeah.
Just enter.
All.
No,
Okay.
not help. Just
Yeah,
delete.
understood. Understood. Can I keep it all? Hyphen
No,
all?
no. All. No, nothing. Just delete blockage. That's all.
Hard or soft it is asking. So better.
Then hyphen all.
Yeah.
Now go to the GUI.
Yeah, it's got remote.
Okay. So this is
So
the option to delete the blockage.
yeah, once after selecting this one, and this is for only for moving, right? And
Yeah.
if I wanted to select, I need to use a shift, right? Multiple
Yes.
selections.
Select multiple macros. Yes.
Okay. So can I use like this also? It will select, right?
Yeah. Now
Yeah.
do the do the coloring and then you do the placement of
Understood.
macros.
Understood. Okay. Okay. So that is a right click, and then
Design browser.
okay.
Now this will open the design browser only for this macro.
Here,
Escape
design browser. Okay.
above. In the second row above that hierarchy option.
This is the
It
one.
will look like a no.
Yeah.
Come to our right. Yeah, that.
Okay. Showing many things.
Instance. No. Click on the drop down with next to instance. The left one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so in this drop down, cell, select
Cell.
cell. Yeah.
Mhm. Okay. I think I need to unselect here and then I need to
Have you
go back, I
selected
guess.
any macro? Yeah.
Yes, yes,
Some
yes, yes.
mac.
That is the reason. Okay. Now let me go it. Still it is showing many items.
Close the design browser and click escape. Then you open it.
Okay.
Design browser. Now select on the design browser.
Mhm.
Now
Modules.
modules. Yes.
Core inside.
So start coloring them. And blockages, everybody got the picture, right? Select on the blockage icon and create blockages around the macro, like on left, on top, bottom, and then right. Once you place the macros, then place the blockages.
Is there any shortcut to select these things?
Shortcut to
I mean,
select,
through commands.
color all the
Sorry.
macros. Huh?
Yeah. Through commands.
Through commands only, it will be difficult actually. You have to give the names of the macros and then give the color. This is the easiest way.
Okay.
Yeah. Laptop player. என்னோட black bag எடுத்துட்டு வரேன்.
Yeah. I think I have colored all the things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Color them, bring them inside. Everybody, please do it parallelly.
So this is also on a bottom. So can I keep it here?
Yes.
Escape. This is a bad placement, I guess.
So these are talking to the not the IO ports, to the standard cells. So that is why it is going to the module. Anyways, we'll start placing from the periphery only. Did anybody try blockages? If you have tried, share me the, or at least send me a screenshot in the group.
Though I'm doing escape, but still, like, the cursor is not getting out of it.
I think it will take some lag.
Need to unselect this. Oh.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes,
I was in the user one before. My design was there. I moved to available user, which is now user two. Can I open my design there in user two?
Was somebody else using user 2?
I
If
think
somebody else
nobody.
was using user 2 and if they have saved their design,
Uh-huh. But I went to my directory. Uh, So I go to user two, I go to my directory, then I invoke
yeah. So
the
if you have created a separate directory to save your ENC file, then you can restore it.
yeah, it has an error. In anywhere I go, anywhere available user, it has this error.
How to deselect this?
Escape.
Escape, yeah. I think it is taking
Just
time.
escape. Mervin, can you send a screenshot in the chat?
Yeah, I will.
Yeah.
Ismat, are you able to follow? See, this is how we have to place the macros inside the core area. Now, the gray area in which he's placing the macros is the core area. Okay. And on top and on all the edges of the core area, you can see some yellow color pins, right? Those are the input and output pins. So depending upon the arrow direction, you can understand which is an input and an output pin. Then these IO pins will be placed automatically. Macros we have to place like this manually. Select a macro and then that to move a macro, that flower icon we have to select. You can see, right? He's clicking on a blue color flower icon. That is to move a macro. And if you need to select a set of macros, you have to click Shift and select all the macros together and move them inside.
Mom, I see
automatically
that.
it is not allowing to select the multiple things, multiple instances at a time. Though I'm pressing escape, right? So
Escape, did you do Shift and you have to click on another option. So the other one will get selected. So it's like that. So this macro has a lot of interactions with the IO pins on the top and at the bottom.
Correct,
So
yeah.
you can place them towards the left.
Towards left, okay.
Towards the left in that middle area, right? So it has connections even on the right also. So where more connections are there, you place there. That there's a red macro in the bottom, right? You move that to the side. Below, yeah, there you keep. And this yellow one, you keep it inside. Sorry, the big one, the big, that's.
It's taking a delay. Any arrows, can I use that to place? Not possible?
The macros? No.
Oh, okay.
I can't. Marvin, did you share the screenshot? What was the issue that you were facing?
It is in the chat group.
In the WhatsApp or where?
WhatsApp, ma'am.
Oh, okay. 1 minute, I'll check.
Yeah.
While executing. So what are you trying to do here, Mervin?
I'm opening my file, the floor plan in this Innovos in this machine, and this the error in the command line.
How are you trying to load it? Did you invoke Innovus?
Yeah, the Innovos is at the background already, and I go to the file. Restore the design.
File, restore design.
Yes, and I selected
and
the
what's
same,
the
one
name
we
that
saved.
you
Floor plan in the DBS.
What is your file name?
In the DBS
Ah.
folder, there is a floor plan .enc.
Yes.
May I know
You
how to
select
flip
that.
it?
Again, please.
To flip. So Marvin, just a second. So I will tell this because this is common for everyone. So there is a floor plan toolbox option.
Floor plan.
Now
Here.
floor plan toolbox not there. Distance group. So in the left, so near in the left of your screen, there is one icon which is inside the black area. Come down. Down.
Down. Okay.
Down. Down. Still don't come inside the die area.
Die area. Okay.
Back one. Towards the left, there is one icon in the black.
Icon in the block. Block is there. Okay.
I am sending us. I have sent it in the chat.
Okay.
So this is for everyone. This is the floor plan toolbox. Once you click on it, you can align the you can space the macros evenly, distribute them horizontally, mention the micron space between two macros, everything you can do. Is it loaded? That image that I've shared?
Yeah, not it received in a WhatsApp. No.
In the in this
okay, in the
this,
Teams chat, you
Teams
mean to
chat.
say? Okay.
Yeah.
I need to.
Everybody, please make a note of it. This is a very handy tool. We'll be using a lot of floor plan toolbox for macro placement. I'll share in the WhatsApp thing also.
Okay, that is the option. Okay.
Yeah.
So you mean to say this is the one? Yeah. Okay. So what can I do here after selecting?
So here, if you click on that, not there. You're select below that.
Below that. Okay. This one.
Below that move icon, you're seeing that one. Yeah, that is the floor plan toolbox.
Okay.
So here,
how can you flip it?
all the alignments. To flip it.
Okay, this one, flip one, rotate.
In the flip rotate, yeah, that one. Yes.
So rotate 90 degrees. Yeah.
Okay, please keep doing this. I will attend a call and come back.
Deepu or someone may know how to optimize this particular thing. Anyone knows that?
Optimize in the sense, Lakshmi, what do you want to do?
I mean, this floor plan size, right? So it is now fit the screen, right? In order to optimize something, is there any control minus, something like that, control plus? No, right?
You mean to say window, you need to zoom out, right? You want to zoom out.
Shift Z.
Control, if you're using mouse, you can,
Shift Z.
Yeah. But I think this is not working out, right? Because many people have logged in and the tool is very slow. I think last time we discussed that only one person will run the tool and rest others will just watch it.
Correct.
I think let us do that. No, I think looks like we are consuming more time and we are not making progress, right?
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
So can we ask rest of the team to actually disconnect?
Yeah,
So,
better.
so who's going to share to lag now?
Lakshmi is driving it, Marvin.
Lakshmi.
So let's
Okay.
allow
So
Lakshmi to
user
do it.
9.
Otherwise, yeah.
But
Otherwise,
I also want to see the design in now user 4. I think he has a good one.
yeah. No,
Well,
Yes,
hello
okay.
guys. Well,
I log out now. I will log
oh,
out.
yeah. Thank you, Marvin. Yeah,
Yeah, you.
yeah.
these
Because
are
we are
the
not
repeated.
making closing. Mm-hmm.
Those who has already done the placement inside the corner, that one can share the screen. Again, we are getting the same
Yeah,
thing. No.
true. May I know who has done it earlier? I think they have not saved the design, I
Yeah,
guess.
I have
Who
done,
has
but
done?
I am not able to connect with the laptop. I don't know what is the
Oh,
problem
is
with
it okay?
this.
Yeah, I have saved my
I have,
design.
Okay, so can you please share your screen then?
Yeah, just a second. Let me log in.
Yeah, no, but I
I'm
think
sorry
that
about
will be
that.
a disadvantage, right, Lakshmi, because everybody has to see how they have done it. So I think what you're doing is right. We have to allow one person to move around and then see the options and get to know the
Yeah.
tool also, right? I think if you see the one which is already done, you won't get anything. So let's continue like this. This is better.
Okay,
One
okay.
person driving and one person doing it.
I agree. I agree on that.
So you continue, Lakshmi. I think one
Yeah.
person, let's continue and you try to place everything internally with whatever options you're trying, right?
No, something it is happening.
Control F, I think that's all right. Whenever you
Yeah,
find an
but
issue, just
this
control.
one is not moving.
Uh,
So
escape,
no
come out of it,
restrictions.
no
Okay.
restriction, escape.
Yeah, I
So,
already pressed it escape, but it is not selecting.
no,
I
you
don't
have to
know.
bring it closer first. I think even I have faced the same thing. You have to bring that closer and then bring it inside.
This one, right?
Those ones, yeah,
So
yeah.
let's say, for example, I'm selecting this one, though I'm clicking that flower option. After selecting, it is not getting selected. Maybe something happening in a terminal. Let me check. See here, providing a box constraining.
Not fully inside corner
Fully
box.
inside the current box. Yeah.
Now try to select one of them.
No, I think
No?
no, Deepu. Let me save my design and then I'll do it better.
Yeah, that's what I think. If too many people are using the tool, I
Ha.
think it gets really slow. So maybe the
Oh,
options doesn't work. Can we have only one user on the user panel, just Lakshmi? And let's try that if that works, or if it can get better, right? So that we know what needs to be done. Can everybody log out except Lakshmi?
What
Yeah,
happened?
I
Any
think I log
problem?
out already.
Yeah, thank you, Marvin. Yeah. Who about others?
so the thing is, like Christina. So I'm unable to move and select the things. It is unable to select it.
Other macros you're
Okay.
not able to move?
I mean, it is not selecting at all. That's
Yeah,
the
the
reason
ones
I'm
which are
saving
far
my
off.
design and I'll reload
Yeah.
it better.
The ones which are far off, right? I think sometimes it doesn't allow.
No,
I
don't
think.
do that. Don't do that.
Okay.
No, it will allow all the macros. Or you do one thing, try selecting one macro at a time and place them inside.
That's what I mean. One only. See, when I'm selecting, it is automatically deselecting as well.
Select. You're not able to move.
No, that's a problem actually. Though I'm selecting this flower button and I'm selecting this one.
Now click on fit screen. I think those are the macros that you already pushed inside.
Hmm.
Fit to screen.
Fit to the screen. Okay.
F.
I've fitted.
Zoom out. Okay. Zoom
Mhm.
out now.
Yeah, zoomed out.
Yeah, they still okay. 1 second, I'll take control.
Yeah, please. Let me approve it. Control. No, I have not got request from you.
Can you share your screen again? I'll take control.
Mhm.
The top
Janata?
is not there now.
Yeah,
1 second.
I have given a control to you. Something went wrong. Please try again. Are you
You have
accessing
given
through the browser or a Teams app?
through the Teams app.
Then
I had the take control option earlier. Like I don't know now. It's
I'm
not
trying to
there.
give
Only
over
that
here.
pop out.
Something went wrong. Please try again later. It is like throwing some message.
Okay.
Okay, let me do one thing, Christina. So I already saved the design. Now can I
Okay.
reload it? Can I reload it better?
Okay. Try that.
On the fly, can I do it, or can I exit and do it?
Save it
Already
and
saved it.
then
Yeah.
okay. Then close the GUI.
Mhm.
Go to the terminal and load Innovus
Let
again,
me
and then give
confirm once.
the restore design.
Yeah, let me confirm once.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I have done the floor plan. So I
Okay.
need to ask ma'am few doubt. Like I am not able to restore the design and few more doubts, ma'am. I need to ask. Ma'am. Can I share the screen?
Yeah. You share the screen. You are saving the design again.
Yes, yes, yes.
Or
I mean,
okay, fine. Got it.
with a different name, I'm just saving.
My screen is
Yes,
visible.
Yes, it is visible.
Which one are you able to see, ma'am? This one.
Your
The,
Teams is only visible still now, and tool I'm not able to see it. Still not able to view your screen touch.
yeah, ma'am. I don't know why it is not.
Okay, what issues you are having in restore design? Are you going to file and selecting on restore design?
Yeah, yeah. Ma'am. Now are you able to see my terminal?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Um. Uh, Ma'am, this I have launched
Load the universe.
yeah Innovus, but this one has come, ma'am. After launching the Innovus. Okay, wait.
Then your command prompt must change to universe. Wow.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, file
There.
No, in the GUI only. Or in the terminal also type restore design. Here type in Innovus one, another type restore
Restore.
REST
Yes.
tab.
Ma'am, look, ma'am. This one, the auto.
Oh,
This one is auto. This one is
okay, it
automatically.
is coming out of your Innovus.
Ma'am, it is automatically run. I
So
tried
what
many
is
times.
correct. So it says 8 CPU jobs allowed with the current license. Set multiple usage to set your required CPU count. Okay. Exiting because the CPU number of CPUs allocated is taking more number of CPUs. Maybe 1 second. Sir, are you in the call? Shubhashi, sir? Okay, Danish, load Innovus again. We'll check how many CPUs are allocated. Just type Innovus.
8 jobs around with the current license.
Did you load Innovus?
Yeah. I'm loading.
Then give, once you get the command prompt, can you scroll down? I'm not able to see the screen.
Hello.
Now come to the terminal itself.
Design not in memory.
Type clear.
Whether. Yeah. I'm doing. After pressing enter, it has automatically come to this one.
Not able to see. Design not in memory. Did it come out of Innovus?
Yeah, it has automatically come, ma'am. Yesterday and day before yesterday, I also tried. It is coming like this one. Hello.
Give LS. Okay, Innovus, only Innovus, and give enter. Enter. Get, type get.
Innovus get right.
No, Innovus, only Innovus, enter.
Okay. It will launch another Innovus.
Enter. Now go to the terminal, minimize the GUI. Yeah. Here get and give tab.
Get tab.
Okay, just a second. Oh, CPU usage. Help, type help space star CPU star.
Star CPU.
Did you get any command? Helps, not helps, just help. Yeah. So click on that get multi CPU usage. Execute that command. Give enter. So there are 8 CPUs.
8 free.
So is there anybody else using Innovus? I think that is why multiple CPU. I mean, it is going more than the number allocated, and that's why it is coming out. Okay. Anyways, now go to the
Ma'am,
GUI.
yesterday no one is using, but I am not also getting the restore design option.
Oh, you still got?
Yes, I'm getting
Okay.
the same problem.
Okay. Now we go to the GUI. I'll show. Oh. Go to the GUI. We'll see now. Innovus GUI.
It has opened multiple, ma'am.
Here, file.
Can I close?
Okay. Okay. So now don't close anything. No, no, no. Don't close it. Let's not close now. Just go to file. Click on any file.
It's not working. I am able to restore from file option here. If I am putting my
Yes,
path
yes.
here, complete path, and I am able to restore. I did that thing.
Okay.
It's not working. I don't. I think multiple users are using.
Mm. File. Click on file.
It is not selecting.
Okay, then close one GUI.
Nothing is happening. But I think it is hanging.
Okay. Why so... Can you try after the class and let me know, Danish? Because also 3 Innovus is loaded.
Okay. But ma'am, I have done the floor planning. I need to ask a few doubt in that because the macros are
Okay.
placed randomly, right? They are not aligned, and the spacing channel,
Yes.
the channel spacing is not uniform. It is randomly placing the. And one more
Yeah.
thing is that ma'am, because
So
somewhere the notches form. So how do we add to blockages? And what are the sanity checks, ma'am, to go
okay.
before going to the placement or the power planning? What are the sanity checks that our floor planning is done? What we have to check?
After
These doubt.
floor plan, it is check floor plan. Okay, so for the first,
But main thing is that when the macro placement is not uniform. Whatever the people are sharing, everywhere the placement of macros are different, and the macros channels spacing is also different, ma'am. How do we get a ma'am uniform?
yeah, for you now,
Ma'am, it is not
there is
working
no,
for
it is not required to maintain a uniform spacing for for everyone. It is not mandatory like that.
but ma'am, somewhere we are getting a 40, somewhere we are getting a 100, somewhere we are getting a 120, somewhere 30. Like so, where the
What
30
is this
we
40,
will
100?
micron, ma'am. For example, I'm just giving any
The
random,
distance.
yeah, distance, ma'am. Where the distances come, ma'am, we will
Okay,
face the congestion problem, no?
yes. So
So,
can you show your macro placement? There I will tell you how much
but
distance you have to
I
give.
am not able to do this one, ma'am. It is
Okay,
not working for me. It is working for somebody
okay.
who can share his screen.
Okay.
Yeah, can I share my screen?
think I've
I have placed all the
created
macros inside in that boundaries. Can I share my screen,
Yes,
Christina?
yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. I've placed all the macros now.
Yeah.
Of course, there is a overlap here. Right.
Yeah, I'm talking about that one, ma'am.
Okay. 1 second. Okay, I have shared an image in the group, in the WhatsApp group. So if you can see that, the blue ones are the macros and orange ones are the routing blockages. That's how you have to place the blockages around the macros. Now here in this macro, now here, um, so once you place the macros, select all the macros at the top and then go to floor plan toolbox. I'll show you how to align and how to give even spacing.
Hello, ma'am. Is there anything like macro should be placed at the boundaries and there should be some gap in the middle for placing the standard cells and all? Because here the
Can you
macros are a
repeat?
lot. Um, Actually, when we are
Yeah,
placing
so
these
cases
macros,
like this. Mm, mm.
yes, ma'am, continue. Hello?
Yeah, so our aim must be how much space is available. In that we have to try to place the macros and give as much as space possible in the core area. So now Deepu, you're sharing the screen, right?
No, I'm sharing. Lakshmi Prasad.
Lakshmi, oh sorry. Okay, so place that macro inside. Now I'll tell you how to align the macros, how to give even spacing, everything I'll share now.
Yeah. Done.
Okay, now, yeah. Now select all the macros that are at the top. Only
How to
select
select
them.
all? How to select all? Shift only.
Control and select.
Control.
Control shift and see which one is working. Don't
Control
move
is
them.
moving. No.
So
It is
click,
automatically
go to
moving.
that click icon.
No. It is not in my control.
Okay.
Automatically, it is moving.
Okay. So did everybody see the diagram that I shared in the WhatsApp group? The orange ones are the blockages. That's how we have to place blockages in the spacing between the macros.
Oh my God. It's
Now
moving.
here we can see how to do it. Give escape. I have requested control. Can you give me?
Yeah. 1 minute. No, something it is couldn't able to give a control throwing kind of message actually.
Oh, I have your request for control wasn't accepted.
Oh, is it?
You'll control the content. Okay. Now I have given a request.
Mm-hmm. I'm not receiving any kind of request.
See if you have got it.
No.
You'll control the content. The requester presenter is sharing request. Okay, it says it was not accepted. Okay, fine, no problem. Select all the macros at the top, control and select all the macros together.
Together, right? So like that.
Yes. So your
It is
move
moving,
option is still
actually.
enabled. That is why
Yeah,
this
yeah.
one is moving.
How
Because
to
your move
disable that
icon
one?
is enabled.
I'm keep pressing escape,
You
but
can
still it is
just
not
click
moving.
on no. Click on the icon that is to the left of the move icon. That is to select. So if you click on that, this move icon will automatically be disabled.
What I have to click? So any
Now
of the
click
icon,
escape and
okay.
no,
Escape.
above that. Next to the left of the move icon, there is one select option, right?
This one.
Yeah, that one.
That one. Okay. Now shift select.
Select. Now select control and select all the macros together.
Control A. No, it is not.
Cancel.
It is allowing one by one.
Now I think everybody can see the top macros he has selected all together. Control and select all the macros together. Okay, that's how you have to select all the macros together.
Not control,
Now
shift
go
only.
to shift. Okay, shift and all the macros. Click on all the macros, it will get selected. Okay, now go to floor plan toolbox.
Why again? One, I'll do it.
Go to the floor plan, top one, top.
Floor plan toolbox. No, not the
Again,
top
it got
one. Floor plan
deselected,
tool. Yes, it got deselected.
Toolbox is there only inside in the floor.
No, don't select all the macros together. We are going to align macros row wise and column wise. So don't select them together.
Okay, then what I have to select first?
Select the macros at the top row alone.
This alone. Oh, okay.
Yeah, only the macros at the top.
Including the small one, Christina?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now
I got the request actually. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Fine.
tell me.
Now go to now select that floor plan toolbox.
Okay.
See, it is already popped up on the left of the
Yeah, it's already available.
Yeah. Now click on that.
Okay.
Very good. Now, come to the align option below. Shift is there, space is there, align is there. In that align, if you see the first option below align, there is one top alignment. Can you see that? Click on that.
T shape, right? This
Yeah,
one.
correct.
Yeah. Can I click on that? Okay.
Click on that. Now, did you see all the macros got aligned to the top? Now, now all macros are aligned to the top, and above the macros, the space between the core edge and the macros are minimal. But on the left side, above the macro. No, above the macros and the core edge.
The one which is you were talking about, this peripheral?
No. The core edge where the IO ports are placed.
Core edge. This one?
1 second. 1 second. I'm taking a screenshot and sharing it in the chat.
The first macro, Christina, on the left.
Exactly.
In the top.
Is everybody... Now see the image that I have shared.
In the WhatsApp.
That spacing between the core edge and the macro edge.
Where did you share the, Christina?
In the Teams chat.
The Teams chat.
Teams chat. Okay.
That spacing, the top spacing is normal spacing, but on the spacing on the left, there is so much space, right?
Here, yeah, correct.
Yeah. So this is where a notch will get created. Okay. So now what you have to do is move the leftmost macro.
Only one
towards
macro?
the left. No, only one macro you select and move it a little towards the left. Very slowly you move it. Use the move icon and move the macro towards the left. You can zoom it. Yeah, that is like the perfect spacing.
We
You can
can
zoom
use
in.
the select, not
Huh?
the start, right, Christina?
Yes, Marvin?
We should select the left and right, up and down direction
Yes.
only.
This is
Correct.
fine, Christina, now?
Yeah, this is
No.
fine.
Okay.
But
This is
but
fine.
it's not aligned on top, right?
It is not? Yeah, we will do that. We will do the alignment also.
Okay, okay.
Now, there is no need for you to move each macro step by step like this.
Oh, is it okay?
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Click on escape.
Okay.
Move to the right of the core area.
Okay.
Right, through your arrow keys. Perfect. Now select the last macro.
Okay.
Move it towards your left.
Left. Okay.
Left. Even if it is overlapping with the macro, no problem. Even more left. Left. Stop it there.
Okay.
Yeah. Now select all the macros at the top together. Now you can zoom out a bit. Go to the click icon. This will come only out of practice because every time we have to swap between the select and the move icon. Yeah. Shift and select all the macros. Good. Now come to floor plan toolbox. There will be an option to provide spacing. So can you see space? First is shift space.
Yeah, space. Okay.
Now click on that space.
Which one I have to select? First one, second one.
Not the first one. First, second. Where is the horizontal space option?
Horizontal, right? So
like horizontally, it will give even space.
yeah,
Fourth option,
horizontal. I think this is the one.
Space.
This is the one.
No. The next one you select.
This one.
No. Come
This
down.
one? This one.
Come down. That one. Yeah. Select that. Now, did you see? All the macros got even space horizontally.
Christina,
Did everybody notice this?
I know, yeah. If we place very close, will it be overlapping?
No, we should avoid overlapping. That is why we are giving the spacing. Yeah,
Then
if we give on the right hand side, the right side macro, if we are moving very
the
close
left.
towards the left, then there will be an overlapping.
Then we have to
Then
adjust
again, we have to move the right macro towards the right and then do an alignment again.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so this is how all the macros we have to do, like spacing, alignment, everything. Now, first row is aligned. Okay. Now, with respect to the first macro on the top, align the macros which are below them towards the left. So that bigger macro and the one that is below that, move it to the left.
This
now
one
select
only,
the
right?
Yeah.
The one which I have selected. Can I move it?
No, don't move it separately.
Okay.
Now select all the macros in the first column. Now you selected the first row.
Okay.
Likewise,
1 minute,
select all the
1 minute.
macros in the first column.
Yeah, got it. So some randomly. Okay. Now the first column, this big macro and this one, right?
Correct. From the first, all the three macros. Now, because since we have set the position for the first macro. Now, with respect to that, we are going to align the other two macros beneath that.
Yeah. By going toolbox again?
Again. Did you select all three? Now, align to left. Align left.
Yeah.
I think you mistakenly selected one more macro on the right. So it also
Then
got aligned.
let me do undo.
Yes.
Oh,
So this
I
is
think
how
there
we
is
have
one
to
more
place the
dot.
entire macros. And make sure that we are giving more space in between.
So the macros on the top, Christina, the rightmost, we
Now
have a
don't
big
change the
space.
alignment. Just click on that macro and move it towards the right. The one that got overlapped. Yes, Mervin?
Yeah, in this placement, we have
Huh.
big space on the right. So
Yeah, because
uh,
he mistakenly selected the macro.
okay, yeah, okay.
Yeah. Now, likewise, we have to give spacing evenly everywhere.
Okay.
Now, this spacing also, we have to check the fly lines. Check the fly lines and see where connections are there more and try to establish very less channel spacing in between them.
Yeah.
This is how we have to place the macros.
Christina, do we have a command to lock the macro while
Yes,
we're
yes, we
doing?
have command to lock the macros. I will show that also. Now,
Okay,
Lakshmi,
thank
can
you.
you select one macro?
Yeah.
I'll tell you how to lock it.
Okay.
Yeah. On the right side, okay, Control R.
Control R. Okay. I did it. Control R.
Any attribute box is opening.
No.
Okay, then escape, select the macro and then Control R. Yeah. Select the macro and then Control R.
Okay. No.
Here, Control R, why an attribute editor must pop up.
I think after this option.
Query box, click Q.
Q. Oh, yeah.
Q. Okay.
Q. Select on any macro. And now in this, there is an option called status below
Yeah.
orientation.
Fixed.
Yeah. Click on that right one. Unplaced, fixed.
Fixed.
You select placed.
Can I apply?
Apply. Okay.
I did it.
Now see if you are able to move the macro.
Yeah.
Oh, then that is not the option.
I think there
One
is a fixed
option will
option
be
is there.
there. Fixed was already there. There will be an option to lock the macro. Where is it?
Fixed. Okay.
Scroll down. Q and then scroll down.
U.
Q. The same
Q.
query box, the same. Scroll down. Add property. Below that near apply option, there is one add property.
Property. Apply.
Next to
Add
apply.
prop.
Add prop.
Okay. Okay.
Here. Not getting an option to lock it. Okay, close this.
Yeah.
Right click the macro. Here, specify black box, edit halo, highlight path. One second, I'll check.
Yeah. Meanwhile, I'll do the alignment.
Yeah. So do the alignment completely. Super. In the query box, click on fixed and then see if any macro is moving.
Already default is option is fixed only.
Yeah, but I'm just asking you to check for now because that
Yeah,
is
I'll
the
check it.
answer that I'm getting when I'm searching for
Mhm.
it. Shayrupa. நான் வந்து எடுத்துறேன்.
Yeah, still I'm able to move.
Okay, so this one, check how to log the macros. I will check. Lakshmi, there are some two small macros in the bottom row, right?
Correct.
The bottom, very thin macros.
Okay.
You take them and place them. Wait, I will send a screenshot.
Can I place it here?
No, wait. Not
Okay.
there.
Mhm.
Just a second.
Teams, you're sending?
Yeah. In the Teams chat I've sent you. I have marked the place in black. There you place it.
So I think get to receive, I guess. In between data. Okay. Got it. I need to flip it, right?
No need to flip it. You place them like that only.
Here.
Just stack
Here.
them above. Not there.
It is not moving.
I placed the black line there, right?
No, it is not
In
moving.
the image. You play. No, not there. In the
I know,
image I have.
know.
Okay.
So the one which you are asking.
That narrow macro, you move it a little above and you place those two in that place.
Here.
Yeah.
So that one,
that one you move it
I
above.
can move it up, right? Okay.
Move it above and towards the left.
I got it.
Yeah. So so there is this game, right, where we will stack the blocks on top of each of the block without giving any space in between. That's how we have to do the macro placement.
I think it is getting overlapped here.
Yeah. So zoom in, and then you place it. Then it'll be easy for you. Yeah, now you can see if it is. Yes. No, don't stack them. Give them some spacing. Some minor spacing, or after when doing the alignment with the toolbox, you can do that. Now just randomly place it.
Yeah.
And that narrow macro on top, that one you move towards the left and
This one
to the bottom. Yeah.
This one?
To the left and then to the bottom.
I think we need to do very slowly. Some more bottom? Is it fine?
Christina, what is the figure that you send in the WhatsApp?
That is placement of the cells actually.
What
placement
is the
of the
orange? What's the orange one? There are orange and another color.
Which one? This is the one are you talking?
The orange ones are the routing blockages. That's how we need to place the blockages between the macros. Blue ones are the macros. Now, Lakshmi, can you click on any one? Now, zoom into the top row of macros where we did the alignment correctly. Zoom into the top area. Now, select the routing blockage.
Routing blockage. Any one of it?
In the third row. In the third row. No, not now. Now, don't select the macros. Go to the routing blockage part.
Routing blockage part means okay.
In the third row, we saw the
Yeah.
We saw the routing blockage, right? That one. Left. Yeah, click on that.
Okay.
Now draw a routing blockage in the space between the top of the core area and the macro. You are drawing, no, not like that. In the space between, in the space that is on the top. If you see my WhatsApp image, you will be able to see.
Okay.
Not over the entire macro. I mean, you can do it, but that's not a good practice.
Okay. So in a WhatsApp you sent?
Wait. I will send a screenshot.
Yeah, I've sent it on Teams, Lakshmi. Yeah, you can look at it.
Teams, huh?
Yeah, can you see that orange
Oh,
one?
okay.
That's how we
Yeah,
have to place the blockages. Okay, like this
okay.
for all the
Between
macros.
that, you're talking about between that, right?
Yeah, in the space between the,
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
exactly.
Now I got it.
Why placing like this? Because these macro pins also will, there are macro pins, and at the time of routing, it will be coming to these pins also. Now,
If I wanted
if the
to
tool is
upsize
going
or
to place
downsize, is there any commands, Krishna, for this?
upsize or downsize the blockade
Means
size,
minimize and minimize and increase or decrease.
that you can do with the GUI only. If you're going to use commands, very hard.
Okay,
We
so
can
how
still
to
use commands. So if we are
how
using
to
commands,
expand
there
this
is a
one?
command called create routing blockage.
Okay, how to expand this one?
You
Let's say, for example, now I
can
have placed it.
you expand it. What you can do is delete it and do it in a
Again,
bigger way, or just add one more routing blockage. Better is
oh,
to
we can use
delete it.
n number of blockages, you meant to say.
Yes. But better option is delete this one, zoom in, identify
Delete
the
this
space
one
clearly, and
is how to delete, delete blockages, right?
then delete it. Attach to cursor and delete it.
Okay. What is this? Oh, there is an option then here only. Okay. Got it. There is an option here only. We need to expand adjust to that lines. If you are keeping, then it is allowing to resize it. Hello.
Okay, then zoom in and resize it.
Yeah, it is allowing. It is allowing.
Okay.
Oh, why it is
It's
black
better
color?
to zoom in and create a blockage because there
So
is
how to highlight the path of
space.
blockages in a different color? So
There
it is
is
showing
no
in a
need
black
to
color.
give a different color. I
No,
mean,
it is displaying in a black color, right? See this one.
Previous one is in yellow.
Yeah, I think that
Previous
highlight
one.
is there. No, block
Click on
highlight
that
is there.
yellow
Yeah.
one.
No, you can change it. Block highlight. Yeah. Right click. I think you have the option.
This one.
Any one.
Blockage.
Any one. You can just click and right click. Right click on that. Highlight.
Yeah. There is an option. Okay. Yeah.
Now, see, there is spacing still between the two macros. To the left and right of the blockage, there is still spacing. So zoom in and try to
Place nearer to that.
can I say, try to fill that space completely with blockages so that no standard cells must go
Oh, you
inside
mean to
that
say,
area.
we can like merge that. No, merging means closer to that. We can keep it right
Ah,
like this. And later, is
no,
there any
no,
like
don't
even
move
if
the
it merge?
macros.
Uh-huh.
See, spacing must be there.
Okay.
Resize the blockages and fill that space. Because these blockages we will remove after placement.
So you mean to say
Then in
blockages
this
resize?
blockage, resize the blockage. Even if it is overlapping with the macro, not an issue. We
Oh,
are
is it okay?
just making the tool, yeah, even if it is overlapping, it's not a problem. We are just hiding that space from the tool so that it should not place any standard cells there.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah,
Ma'am, what type of blockage we are adding, like hard, soft, or partial, ma'am? What type of blockage are
this is
these?
a hard blockage. In click on that placement blockage icon
Click on
or click on the blockage
placement
and
blockage.
right click it.
Okay.
Yeah, click on that
Okay.
or give Control R.
I think I'm in moving mode.
Q, you give Q, query box. So here in that there is a
Hard,
type, right? Hard. Yeah, click on that.
hard, soft.
So here you can mention hard or soft or partial like that.
When hard means it is fixed.
Hard
You mean to
means
say?
it will not place, no. Hard means it will not place any standard cells, buffers, inverters, nothing will be placed there. If we are
Okay.
giving soft blockages, only buffers and inverters will be placed.
Okay. What about partial?
Partial blockage means like in this yellow area of the blockage, how much percentage of blockage should be utilized for placing the standard cells. So if you're mentioning 50%, 50% of the yellow shaded area will be occupied by the standard cells and 50% will be free.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. One more thing, Krishna, here, if you see that, I'll zoom in some more. Yeah. So these, what are these actually?
Those are the macro pins.
Pins. Okay. Okay. Like this, we need to fill for entire floor plan, right?
Yeah, all
Blockages.
this is, yeah. Now remember, blockages must only be in the space between the macros, not the entire core area space. As in only the space on the top, bottom, left and right of the macros.
Okay.
That alone must be filled with blockages.
Okay. So here and all, we should not keep it
Yeah,
only
here and
between
all this,
this,
yes,
between this, between this
exactly.
and this.
Yeah, like that we have to place blockages.
Hello, ma'am. I need to ask ma'am one doubt. Can I share my screen, ma'am?
Yeah.
I have loaded my
Yes.
design, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
The screen is visible. Hello, ma'am.
Yeah. Give fit to screen. Yes,
Okay.
I'm able to see your macro placement.
Okay. Ma'am, I have done the alignment this one from bottom and give the uniform spacing in between them. Suppose this top one, this all top one, I want to align with the bottom one, right? So which
Now
one,
this
main option
is
should I have to use?
alignment wise and spacing wise, this is good, but there is no uniform space for
Yeah.
standard cell
I
placement. Okay, you're working on it?
Yeah, ma'am. I want the ma'am. This one actually the notches is coming here. So I want this one top one alignment with the bottom one. So how I have to align this one? I tried all options, but it is not working.
Which one you want to align with what? With which macro?
This one, yeah, this one, this I want to align these with the bottom one. Bottom one is my reference point, ma'am.
Yeah, select the macros in the first column and give align to left.
First column, one by one, I have to do, right?
Shift and select all the macros. Click on shift and select all the macros.
Okay. Align left.
Align to left. In align option, yeah, that one.
Yeah, this one has, they are overlap to each other.
Merging.
No, but no, select the macros in the column, not row wise. Why do you want to align them like that? Select the bigger macro, which is on the top. That is only not aligned to the bottommost macro. So select that and the macro which is below that. Then floor plan toolbox, align left.
This one, this one, this one, right?
Yeah.
So ma'am, one by one, I have to do this one, this one, this one, this one parallelly. Not a single shot. I can do this, right?
Yeah, single
Suppose
shot, select all the macros in one column, select them together.
not okay, okay. In a column only, okay.
Yeah. Click the macros in the first column all together and give align to left. And then
Okay,
second column of macros, click all of them together, then align to left.
okay, okay. Understood. And one more thing is that ma'am, when I trying to zoom, these are coming. Ma'am, these line are for the power lays later on.
These are the standard cell. No, these are the routing tracks. This is just a virtual representation. You can ignore.
So the power rails will come on this track, no, ma'am. This one VDD, VHS,
Yes.
VDD, VHS, VDD. So this one is not aligning, right? If the power rail is coming on this one track, so this one is
Macros
not.
need not align with it.
o-
There is no
Okay,
need for macros to align with it.
okay, okay,
See, standard cells only should align with standard cell rows. Macros
okay,
need not align with it. Okay. After doing placement, you'll have a clear picture. There is no need for macros to align with any rows.
okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So I want everybody to do the macro placement and share the images in the group with the alignment and the spacing and routing blockages. I mean, placement blockages. In tomorrow's class, we'll do power plan. Okay.
What's the difference between placement blockages and routing blockages?
Placement blockages means cells will not be placed. Routing blockages means you are blocking the metal layers from routing.
Oh, okay, okay. So it will not
Yeah.
allowing you to,
Use
metal
those metal
connections,
layers
right?
for routing. Yeah. So
Okay.
those tracks of metal layers. So if M1 or M2, whatever metal layer, those tracks of that metal layer, we are not allowing to route. Maybe because of congestion, we are not allowing routing to happen
Oh, okay, okay,
with
okay.
those nets.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
what are the ma'am sanity checks? Suppose we are working in the industry, right? So what are the sanity checks that our floor plan is completed? What are the things we need to take care before moving to the power plant?
Yes. For
Ma'am, your voice is
plan.
breaking, ma'am.
Check F plan.
Okay, check F plan.
I have typed it in the Teams chat.
Okay.
And
So
then check macro constraint. Okay, these commands I will share in the WhatsApp group.
It's
After
the
floor
same thing,
plan,
ma'am.
what all
We
you need
can,
to check?
yeah, we can check here in our design.
Yes, you can check.
Okay.
You can check in your design.
In check floor plan, what are the things we can see, Krishna? Like,
So in this one, if there are any macro overlaps or if there is any site row definition mismatch with the FinFET definition in the library, and the statistics of the floor plan, like the how many macros areas occupied by the macro, that also we have, it will throw. And report
okay,
utilization, that also we have to check.
utilization of area. Okay.
Yeah.
Hello, ma'am.
So
If the
all the
utilization is
commands in the WhatsApp I'll share.
failed, if the utilization is
Huh?
getting failed, so if the
It won't get
utilization,
failed. See,
okay,
utilization will show us how much area of the core is occupied by the macros, like 50%, 60%. It will just give us the numbers.
okay,
This won't fail.
okay,
Check F plan, we might get some errors. So we have to see them, why those errors, and then we have to fix them.
okay, okay,
Okay. Fine.
okay.
Ma'am, what is the standard spacing between the macro and the edge?
Um, okay. Now, since we don't have any top level design here, um, for macro spacing between any two macros, maintain 10 micron distance
The minimum.
minimum. And
And
with the core edge and the macro, as in the macros that are sitting on the boundary. So there you have to maintain minimum of 15 microns. That also you can select in the floor plan toolbox. So can you click on the floor plan toolbox? I'll show you how to give the spacing. Here space, yeah, in that space option,
Shall I have to select anyone?
now if you are going to click select on any one macro, select that bigger macro that's on the top left.
No, ruler is coming.
Yeah, give escape. Now in that space option you can see multiple spaces. 15, now 15 micron distance, click on the first option.
This one.
Below that space word there are 8 icons, right? So this is space from the top, so it will give 15 microns from the top. Click on it. Did it move?
No. Shall I give more?
Give why is it not moving? Click on the yeah, try.
No, it's not working.
Have you fixed the macro? No, still it will move. Now click on that option and then give the space value. Now that second option is click on that and then give the space value like 100, type like that.
This one, I gave.
Yeah. Enter. Floor plan toolbox.
No, it is not.
No, it has to move. Um, Click on any other option. Is the macro selected?
Can you try flip? I think so because of
Yeah,
this
it's
micron, right? It
selected.
is not showing, I guess.
Yeah, it is selected. This one, na?
Okay, now click any two macros which are right next to each other. Click any two macros.
I think bottom one has moved.
Oh, so it has given the spacing between those two macros as how much space you've mentioned? 200 microns.
200.
Okay. So okay, now I got it. So with respect to first macro, it is moving the second macro below by 200 microns. Now you can check it using a ruler also.
Yes, 200.
So this is how spacing you can give. But
How
with
to get the
respect to
ruler actually?
Control K.
Control K. And Shift K to remove that one.
Now go to that floor plan toolbox. From the core area also we can give the spacing. Go to the floor plan toolbox. I'll just see.
Space
So,
from so yeah, this one is space from left. Left is
space
a
from
core.
left.
Yeah, it's moved. This one.
Uh,
Bottom one has moved.
yeah. So with respect to core area, it has moved up.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So,
All right. Okay, fine then. So do the alignment, save the design. In tomorrow's class, power plan we'll see. We will do the sanity checks, check if plan report utilization. We will do those checks. And then we'll see power plan, how to add VDD, VSS connections and the ring architecture, all of that we'll see in tomorrow's class. And please
okay.
share the images once the macro placement is done in the group.
Okay.
Okay then.
Christina?
Yeah.
I missed some points because I don't know with my video. Can you share the recorded video today?
Recorded what?
The record of this training today because I missed something and I didn't
Yeah.
feedback.
That he will automatically share.
Oh, okay.
Subhashisha will share.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you.